Here at Proplast, within the Work Package 2, we are developing vitrimeric resins by carefully studying their chemistry and the key formulation parameters. Our research explores different chemical strategies leading to vitrimeric systems with tailored properties. Here you can see some examples of vitrimeric samples, and as you can see, they are all characterized by glass-like appearance and different colors. In parallel to this activity, we are also producing basalt fiber composites by using these innovative resins. These panels are produced by using a dedicated manufacturing setup that was specifically designed for this application. Here you can see its main part, that is this heated plate, and with that we were able to produce these composite panels. These panels represent the main structural component of the air blade, that is the main object of the project. And thanks to the intrinsic properties of vitrimers, these composites will be repairable and recyclable.